Have your gemstones lost their sparkle? Has your gold lost its luster? Get a jewelry store quality cleaning right in your own home. The Jewelry Care Kit is so complete, you'll never make a trip to the jeweler's for a cleaning again. Your kit includes 1.7 ounces tube of precious metals polish, 7-ounce jar of diamond and gemstone cleaner, jewelry dipping tray, precision cleaning brush, ultra suede polish applicator. It easily removes soap scum, lotion residue, body oils, grease, makeup, and hairspray from metals and gemstones. It quickly cleans metals such as gold, silver, platinum, rhodium, sterling silver, titanium, stainless steel, rose gold, tungsten, copper, palladium, zinc, and more. It restores and clarifies diamonds and gemstones, including emeralds, rubies, sapphires, amethysts, garnets, opals, jade, amber, turquoise, agate, pearls, and more. It's perfectly safe to use on synthetic diamond simulants such as cubic zirconia, rhinestone, moissanite, rutile, spinel, flint glass, and strontium titanate. It's also safe for use on natural diamond simulants such as topaz, zircon, andradite, and quartz crystal. Using the dipping method, first place the jewelry in the dipping tray, lower the tray into the cleaner, and swish around for 30 seconds. For heavy residue buildup, soak for up to 10 minutes, then work remaining residue out with the precision cleaning brush. Next, bring the jewelry out of the jar and rinse with water. Then dry and buff with a microfiber cloth to bring out the shine and luster. Restore heirlooms for the next generation. Get Flitz Diamond and Gemstone Cleaner with the dipping tray for the ultimate brilliance on metal finishes. Finish with Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream. Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream cleans, polishes, and protects all of your metal finishes. Please note, some costume jewelry contains an electroplated metal finish. Flitz Precious Metals Polishing Cream should not be used on costume jewelry or pearls. First, use sparingly and apply the polish onto a microfiber cloth. Rub the polish onto the metal. Do not let the polish dry. Then buff to a high luster. Keep your jewelry clean and shining much longer for years to come. Get yours today.